Okay, so this is part 1 of exercise 10. Have control, model, and view packages. In control, we have the sub-package observer. So we have observer, subject, UFO create event, and UFO observer add new. Then we have input event class, key event listener, main, mouse event listener, player input queue. And then in the model package, we have sub-package missile, the missile class, missile animation exploding, missile animation shooting, missile animation strategy. Then we have a UFO sub-package with UFO, UFO animation falling, UFO animation flying, and animation strategy. In classes game data, game figure, mouse pointer, shooter, text. Then finally in view, we have my canvas class and my window class.